Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friend Molly McCoy, very talented illustrator and graphic designer. This is an event invitation actually that she designed for client Grace Cathedral. This was printed by Solstice Press of Oakland, California, and paper is Sierra Opaque, 110-pound cover. Okay, let's get to this design. I love it. It's also kind of a fun contrast from last week. So last week was also a trifold, but it was layered and it had the elastic bind, just super cool. This is super cool, but on the really kind of simple side, which I think you're also really gonna like. So this has a creative die cut. And so the front panel has a curve like this. You can also see that the second panel, the fold-in panel, is about to have a curve as well. And then you've got this little shot of color up here. So it opens up like this, and then opens up like this and creates this beautiful arc that, by the way, was designed to mimic the stained glass at Grace Cathedral, but to also have the sense of a fan of feathers. So it's got kind of a fan pattern and illustration, but also this sense of stained glass. And so the colors are really beautiful. And I love the way that the content's organized, and I love the shape. There's also a nice production detail going on here. So when this folds in here and where this folds in here, so from about here down on both panels, it hits the curve and then it goes straight. And what's really nice about that is you get a flush edge kind of parallel to the score and a flush edge here as well, rather than kind of rounding it out to a point. And having a curve go all the way down at an angle, you get this nice closed edge. Just a really nice design and production detail that makes a difference. It's just beautiful the way it works. So these were die score hand fold. They did about 1,500 of these, and these went into a lovely eggshell envelope as well. So just beautifully done, simple, stylish. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Arced trifold invitation. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.